حقيبة bag. حقائب bags. طبق plate. أطباق plates. Assalamu alaikum superheroes! Remember our lesson about numbers? Learning to say and recognize them was super fun, right? Saying things like give me 5 pens or take 4 papers felt natural, didn't it? But today, I'm gonna teach you something very important about numbers. Something you must know if you wanna be fluent in Arabic. Are you ready? Let's go. In Arabic, almost every noun has a gender. It's either masculine or feminine. Why is that important? Because gender affects grammar, including how we use numbers. Yes, numbers change depending on the gender of the thing you're counting. Now, how can we know if a word is masculine or feminine? Here is a simple beginner trick. If a word ends with ta مربوطة, it's usually feminine. If it doesn't, it's usually masculine. This is not a perfect rule, but it will help you for now. We'll go deeper later. Let's try with 2 words we learned before. قلم, ورقة, pen, paper. You know both, right? Let me give you 5 seconds to think. Which one is feminine? Exactly! ورقة ends with a ta مربوطة, so it's feminine. قلم doesn't, so it's masculine. Now here is a big secret. In Arabic, numbers from 3 to 10 have 2 forms. Let's take a look. Form 1 with a ta مربوطة. ثلاثة, أربعة, خمسة, ستة, سبعة, ثمانية, تسعة, and عشرة. Form 2 without ta مربوطة. ثلاث, أربع, خمس, ست, سبع, ثماني, تسع, and عشر. First group are feminine forms. Second group are masculine forms. Why 2 forms? Because you use the opposite gender of the thing you're counting. Let's see an example. You want to say قلم is pen, and you just said it's masculine. ورقة is paper, and we already know it's feminine. The plural here or there is أقلام and أوراق, right? أقلام and أوراق. So now for masculine nouns, we use the feminine numbers. So we're gonna say 3 pens, it's gonna be ثلاثة أقلام. ثلاثة أقلام. For feminine nouns, use the masculine number. So 4 papers will be أربع أوراق. أربع أوراق. It's like balance. A masculine word needs a masculine number. Cool, right? And this is super important so you don't fall into a common trap. You can't always tell the gender by looking at the plural form of a word. You need to check the singular. Let's take the word أوراق, papers. It ends with a qaf. That's not a ta مربوطة. So, is it masculine? No! You have to go back to the singular, which is ورقة. That ends with a ta مربوطة. So it's feminine. So always check the singular to decide the gender. Let's learn a new word. The word bag. حقيبة. حقيبة. Repeat after me. حقيبة. حقيبة. Plural, it's حقائب. حقائب. Now you want to say 10 bags. Step 1 is حقيبة masculine or feminine? It ends with a ta مربوطة, so it's feminine. Step 2, use the masculine number form with it. So you say عشر حقائب. عشر حقائب. Awesome. Let's try another. Let me give you a new word. Plate, which is طبق. طبق. Repeat after me. طبق. Plural. أطباق. أطباق. Say it. أطباق. Excellent. Now in the comments, you tell me, is أطباق is masculine or feminine? And what's the correct number form to use with it? So don't forget, I'll be reading your answer.
هل أنت مصري؟
نعم أنا مصري.
أعطني 6 أطباق من الكشري.
خذ. Why Zaid is always hungry? Vocabulary to memorize. حقيبة, bag. حقائب, bags. طبق, plate. أطباق, plates. You did amazing today. Now you know why Arabic has 2 forms for numbers and how gender affects them. Remember, masculine nouns use feminine numbers and feminine nouns use masculine numbers. And always check the singular form to decide. Practice with new objects around you. Is this object as masculine or feminine? And can you count correctly in Arabic? Don't forget to answer in the comments. Is plate masculine or feminine? And how would you say 6 plates? I'm waiting until next time. مع السلامة. Don't forget to review your words. Assalamu alaikum.